Alright everyone, this is the new pirate ship wave controller that I've been making. So the ship actually responds to the wave. As you can see, it uses a proxy of the model, and I cooked the cache of the triangles that are inside of the water and the triangles that are not, and I use a rigid body and a collider and a center of mass to combine to kind of figure out which way this thing should lean based off of the roll of the boat and the waves. The main thing also I wanted to show off was the shader that I have. So this shader reflects the skybox, as you can see in the waves there. You can see as it builds up, you see the mountains starting to climb, and what you see as I'm looking in the water this close is actually the clouds in the sky. As I back up, the shader uses an alpha based off of the distance of the camera. So the farther away from the camera, the less the waves appear, and that's to give the illusion that it's kind of like disappearing into the background, so that the skybox kind of takes control of the rest of the flow, so it doesn't blend in. Because really, what I'm using here, this little water wave, is actually just a plane, and it's a really low poly plane, which is why it kind of looks weird. And something like right here, you can kind of tell it's going different directions in certain parts. It's really low poly because I was trying to get it to work for the mobile. But this actually works fine on the mobile by itself, and this ship is really high poly. Poly count on it, it's just like absolutely gigantic unnecessarily. And the materials are pretty bland, I think, but they're still his own shader. This is as far as I can zoom out and zoom in. I tried to copy the Pokemon Go concept where you can kind of zoom out, and as you zoom out, you go more above yourself, kind of a slurp motion, round it off. Yep, that's pretty much it. Tell me what you think.